unscrew this handle off and throw the pump grip on there and see if that would work. And probably do like a small modification here and there for this too. Otherwise, I'd probably keep it. Also, my opinion with Raiders and Rampages, I personally love Raiders more. The Rampage I got jammed constantly, so I couldn't use it. I believe we're at 2 blasters now. This may not even... Well, oh wait, actually I do have more. I do have more blasters downstairs, but I'm going to save that for another day. This, I'm going to try and see if I can get this in the picture. This is the Nerf Mega Centurion. The reason why I brought this back was I had the 6-star magazine in the bonus room, which is that room behind me would be over there where I'm pointing. But I had the 6-star magazine. I'm like, oh, I should probably bring the Centurion back home at some point so they can be reunited. And whoever's seen this review on this Nerf blaster on my channel will know that mine came working. Mine was completely functional, and I was able to review it, and honestly, it performed really, really well. Other people have said that theirs broke, or didn't work, or didn't perform well. For mine, at first, I will be honest, at first, it didn't work, but there was some sort of, like, workaround, where you could pull this back, push it forward, and that's how it usually works. Some people say it gets stuck around here or here. For me, I just pulled really, really hard, pushed it back, and repeated cycle. And it still works. At some point, I probably will post a video of proving that this thing still works. But the whole point with this blaster, bringing this back, along with the magazine, was just to reunite the two and keep them together instead of separate. Wow, I'm really thirsty. Alright. Last but not least, here is a very old retro, like, nostalgic blaster that I love. This is the old-fashioned Busby Turret. It's supposed to resemble a Striker 12 or some sort of blaster. It kind of reminded me of Striker back from MW2, Call of Duty series. And it was pretty much an automatic shotgun. This is more of a pump action shell-fed blaster. It will hold, I think, I want to say 12 shells? 12 shells and darts, and the same idea. This will eject a shell every time you do that. So every time you kind of do this, the shell will eject as soon as it gets rotated. And I just thought that was really cool. The main purpose of bringing this back was to modify it, or to see if these one of these 3D printed Busby shells that I had been printing non-stop for, see if these would work. These 3D printed shells would work with this, or even the Airzone, whatever that other one was that was also shell fed in this video. And that's all I have here for today, or for tonight. So the only blaster I really got rid of was the Bow Strike, that tiny little pistol with the fins on it. Don't like that. For some odd reason, it just didn't look performance, or didn't look really good. So that's it for today's video. I feel like I've talked for quite a while. It looks like I've talked for 4 minutes. Jeez. Okay. So, I'll kind of wrap it up here. I do want to mention, before I end this video, I have partnered up with Adam 4LE. I don't know if I pronounced that YouTube channel name correctly, but anyway, me and Adam, the guy's channel's name is Adam. Me and Adam paired up to do gaming videos. We call DuoBrosGaming. That name could be temporary or permanent. We're still kind of deciding on what name to go with as of right now, but for right now, DuoBrosGaming is just going to be gaming with me and him. me and Adam, we're going to probably be playing games like Black Ops 2, for me, I'm going to be playing retro games that have brought me joy and entertainment for many years, such as the Lord of the Rings games, the strategy Lord of the Rings games, and some hack and slashes, and probably play some like short one game or like a couple of day games like Zapper or the old, very, very, very old Hot Wheels series games where they have like I think it was like Mechanic X. If anyone remembers that, please leave a comment below, because that is just a key to my childhood right there. So thanks for watching, guys. Just to let you know, DuoBrosGaming is currently active, but we haven't posted a video yet. Over time, this will work, or over time, channel will start to get more gaming videos out. We'll start getting our software ready, and yeah. So if you guys like the idea, that's crackling an awful lot. Anyway, if you guys enjoy the video, understood the video, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. If you want to see more of these types of videos during this really bad pandemic, please comment below and let me know so I can keep making more of these. And as far as the gaming channel goes, again, the name is Duo, as in D-U-O, Bros, B-R-O-S, and then Gaming. Obviously, most people will know how to spell gaming. DuoBrosGaming, or I guess DuoBrosGaming, however the orientation is. But I will definitely leave a link in the description below about where our channel is and what it's named and what we're going to do. But check that out at some point in the next few weeks. We should have gaming videos up on that channel at some point. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. And yeah, stay safe. And I guess just be nice to each other. This is a really bad situation for all of us, pandemic-wise and COVID-wise, and we're not all gonna die, but it's gonna suck. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your days and your nights, and just be nice to everyone. See you guys later.